The BMC and the Bihar police here. Remember the Patna SP who had come in Mumbai to oversee investigations in this case that were being conducted by his team. He was put on forced quarantine here, but Mirror now has accessed a letter by the BMC that actually rejected the Patna SP Vinay Tiwari's exemption request from the quarantine. He was the lead investigator in this case here. In this letter, the BMC has cited the pandemic, saying that the Patna SP can conduct a probe via digital platforms as well until the quarantine time is over. It's not as if he's been blocked from further investigations. Slamming the Mumbai civic body, the Patna SP has reacted to that, the move of rejecting his quarantine. He's added that soon he will, that he has been in fact unable to proceed on the case since the 2nd of August. Santhya is getting us further updates here on this. Santhya, is this a clear sign that the BMC, despite the backlash of this or what they faced, despite of what we've heard regarding this controversy, even in the Supreme Court today, is making that attempt to block investigations, to suggest that investigations can be done through a digital platform?
Yes, absolutely, Seher. This is what BMC has to say, and this is despite the fact that this was Supreme Court pulled up Maharashtra government for this move of quarantining Patna SP Vinay Tiwari, and in fact, Vinay Tiwari, of course, has shown his displeasure that about this decision. He has condemned the decision of BMC. He has called the move unfair, and he has also said that how this is hampering the investigation. Now, today what has happened is BMC has issued a letter, and BMC has suggested to the SP that he can conduct his meetings and other investigation related conferences via social media platforms, via platforms which are available on the internet, because BMC has said that this is precautionary, and if at all Patna SP is asymptomatic, so this will avoid him from meeting other people and spreading the infection. But this has come after Supreme Court pulled up Maharashtra government, and this again doesn't change anything here. Seher, Patna SP, according to BMC, will still have to remain in quarantine. Seher.